whole lot like this.
Fix again.
Go, weirdo. Wow. Really? Honestly? And then what
He
happened?
really hates the rug. He's really not pleased with the rug. Max,
Move the rug.
move the rug.
Don't make me do it.
Don't make me move the rug.
Back up. You
It's like
weirdo.
stoop boy.
Sit.
Look at, he's like, I am sitting.
Down. 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 Oh, you're an asshole. Down.
Mom, look at Max.
Chloe.
Back up.
Blonde hair Chloe that worked at Fritz's.
Off the rug. Move, Max. Back up. Back up. See the look he gave me?
Girl that I soon teach with.
See his hand off?
He does not like the rug, huh?
And I went to school with the younger sister.
Max,
And then
fuck
the
the
girl
rug.
that lived with us. Love it. She wore a wedding dress the first night. I watched it.
When did this start?
I'm not really sure. Quinn gets some really good Max footage right now.
Why are you so angry?
What are you so mad about? Back up.
He really wants you to throw his toy, but
Sit.
displeased with the rug as well.
Sit. He's like, no, fuck you. I'm
Lay on the
upstairs.
road.